Are you looking for affordable housing project near in Metro Manila? Well, good news. Meron kaming reopen units dito sa Sonoma Residences Phase 1 and Phase 2, mga 2-story townhouse na kung saan less than an hour lamang going to SM North and 10 minutes away lamang going to Santa Maria Watermark Inn. Allocate po ang ating terminal ng P2P bus for convenient transportation going to SM North. At kung ikaw ay isang locally employed, OFW, or home-based job na matagal nang naghahanap ng iyong primary home residence near in Metro Manila, well, you can consider this Sonoma Residences kung saan malapit lang po sa Metro Manila, less than an hour lamang going to SM North. This is available through Pag-ibig Financing. Again, if you are a member with at least 24 months of contribution